Okay, student, now we are going to solve the question number 2 part 3, in which a parallelogram shaped is given. In parallelogram, the height of a parallelogram is given, which is 4 centimeter, and the base of a parallelogram is also given, which is 8 centimeter. So in solution, we will write in a parallelogram, the base of parallelogram is 8 centimeter, and the height of the parallelogram is also given, which is 4 centimeter. To find the area of a parallelogram, as we know that the formula to find the area of a parallelogram is area is equal to base multiplied by height. By putting the value of base and height, we will find the area of a parallelogram. The base of the parallelogram is given, which is 8 centimeter, and the height of the parallelogram is also given, which is 4 centimeter. So by multiplying 8 by 4, we will have 8 fours are 32 centimeter square. So this is the area of a parallelogram of given shape. So in this way we have found the area of a parallelogram.